Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am here with the new off-campus recruitment drive from the Virtusa company. So let us get started with this video. The Virtusa Corporation, in collaboration with Neo Hire is organizing a recruitment drive for the fresher candidates. This program aims to test and train. Please note this point, guys. This program aims to test and train the 2020 and 2021 batch graduates who will get the opportunity to get recruited by Virtusa. Eligible batches are 2020 and 2021 graduates who will get the opportunity to get recruited by the Virtusa. They are hiring for the full stack developers role. You can see the job details here. Job role is full stack developer. Salary package, they are providing you 4 LPA. Eligibility criteria, year of graduation required, as I mentioned earlier, 2020 and 2021 pass out. Then BE BTech or MCA with 65%, minimum 65% or more during 10th, 12th or diploma, and in graduation degree. You should have minimum 65% throughout the academics. Streams eligible: computer science, IT or information science, and electronics branch. If your branch is electronics and telecommunication, that is also fine, but yeah, electronics branch candidates are also eligible. As a part of selection process, you will have to clear the 2 rounds of online assessment. There will be online assessment which will be having 2 rounds. You need to clear that. Then attend 10 days free training program. You need to attend the 10 days free training program, then clear final interview with the Virtusa. So we would urge you to apply as quickly as possible. The last date for the registration is 31st October 2021. The last date for the registration is 31st October 2021. So registration for the Virtusa recruitment drive can be completed by filling the form linked below. So this is the form link that I have already opened here. You can check Virtusa recruitment drive who is calling all 2020 and 2021 graduates. Job role will be full stack developer. Don't worry, they will give you training. Okay, just be confident during your interview and crack your aptitude test. Once you get selected, you will get training for this role. Eligibility criteria, as I have already mentioned here. Okay, so there will be 10 days free training program. Clear your final interview with the Virtusa and land your dream job. Okay, so this is all about the Virtusa recruitment drive. So fill this form with all the details required. Email ID, please give your correct email ID, because if you give your wrong email ID, suppose if you by chance, by mistake, if you give wrong email ID, then you won't be able to communicate with the recruitment team for the further process. So please check your mail ID before submitting form. Then give your full name, give your contact number, give only 10 digits. Do not mention +91. This is for India. Gender. Then enter your current location, whether you are from Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, whatever it may be. So enter your college name here. Then college registration number. You select your degree, whether you have completed your BE or BTech or MCA. Okay, then stream, select your stream, computer science, IT, electronics, electrical as well. You can see here electrical branch is also eligible. Then information science as well. Standing areas, do you have any backlog? Like if you don't have any backlog, you can mention as all clear. If you have any backlog, means exam is given but you are waiting for the result, then you can select this. Or suppose if you are having any backlog, then you can select this one. Overall percentage and CGPA. If your marks are in percentage, enter percentage here directly. If your marks are in CGPA, then enter CGPA. I'm just giving an example here. Are you ready? Are you already technology trained? That means like on which technology you took the training or any internship, that is you can select that. If you have done any course or training, you can select this one. Then if yes, in which technology. Suppose if you have any internship or training or course completion, suppose in Java, then you can write here as Java. Otherwise you can select as no, if you haven't done, and you can select right here no as well. Do you have any of the certification? If you have any of the certification, you can tick here if you have done. Otherwise select others. Year of passing, select your year of passing. How comfortable are you with completing the 10 days free training? You can select your appropriate answer. Are you currently employed? Means if you are an already employee of any another organization, then you can select yes. If you are having any another offer from other company, then you can select this one. If no, then select no. Are you available to interview with Vatyusa? You can select here answer. Then there is one point. I hereby declare that above mentioned details submitted are true. In case of any discrepancies in the given details, I agree that Neo-Hire and Vatyusa can take any decision to reject the submission. I completely understand and agree to the mentioned selection process and eligibility criteria for training and hiring. So this is the important point. So you need to agree the terms and conditions, and you need to submit this form. So this is all about the application process. So dear batch 2020 and 2021, please apply for this off-campus drive. This is very good opportunity, and please share this video with your friends as well, so that they will also get a chance to apply. And thanks for watching this video.